Hey guys, Shane here, Crypto Fish YouTube channel. So today I just kind of wanted to take you in and show you how I do my trading, how I find the coins, what I buy in at, where I find this information, and things of that nature. As you can see, I'm out of the mobile office today. I'm at the house. Got a dermatology appointment, which you kind of have to do when you're my age and you live in sunny Florida. So again, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up. I'd appreciate that as well. Here in my backyard today, wouldn't mind be sitting out by the pool here and sipping a couple of brews, but there's my dog back there, backyard. Anyways guys, let's dive into the computer and I'll show you how I find these coins, what I buy in at, and things of that nature. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Okay, real quick guys, before we go on, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell below. Got a couple of videos coming out every week, cryptocurrency type videos, a little bit on trading here and there, usually mining, speculative coin mining, things of that nature. Also, if you like this kind of content, hit that thumbs up. I would appreciate it as well. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go over to Binance. So like I said previously, I just kind of want to show you what I do personally. I kind of learned a lot of this stuff from watching Da Vinci J15 videos. A link to his videos and how to get them. They're free. I don't get anything out of this. Are going to be down in the description below, so head over there, watch those videos. It's not exactly how he does it. I kind of have my own way of doing it. Whether it's right or wrong, I don't know. I guess only time will tell, but this is definitely not investment advice. I mainly stick to mining, but this again is just what I'm doing. Alright, so I've made a couple trades today. Let me pull up my little spreadsheet. For those of you who might be new here, this is what I started out with on the 5th of February, 0.078 BTC. So next year, same time, same date, I'm going to see what my ending BTC is going to be. So I've had a total of 52 orders put in right now, filled 33, unfilled 19, and of course those correlate with the green and red here on the chart. Here today, how many have I done? 2 today, did a couple on the 15th, and so what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've had 4 out of the 7 filled so far. These 2 right away I just looked at earlier. I'm going to show you another one how I do it in a minute. Those are filled pretty close, and I get all of these filled at the 78.6 mark as far as the little old lady trading technique goes. Again, watch the Da Vinci J15 videos. He explains it much more better than I can. So, alright, here we are in Binance. This is where I do all of my stuff. So what I usually do is I'll click this right here, and it'll give you a list of coins to buy and sell. So I usually like to click on a 24-hour change and find the ones that have dropped the most. So there was one earlier, I think it was, there's PHX and Fuel. That's the trades I just did today. So they've dropped the most today, and I also like to find the coins that are the cheapest if I can. I don't know if that's psychological with me personally. I don't know. Again, it's just what I do. There was another one I was looking at, TNB, I think it is. Yes. It's actually, and it looked like another buy for me. I think I already have the chart out. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and buy this right now while I'm doing this video. But as you can see, it's had a really big low wick here, so I had to go all the way down to the bottom with my Fibonacci retracement lines, and here's the top, of course. So this is right in the range of where I like to buy. I usually buy at this line 78.6 right here, and this falls right in the range. So as far as I can see and as far as I'm comfortable with, that's prime time to prime location to buy. Again, most of my trades, most of the ones I buy, are going to be right around at this 78.6. I'll just put in a buy order for it. When it hits it, it buys it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's from the chart you just saw. The ones in red, probably 95 of these were at the 78.6 mark. And all the greens obviously are, once they hit that mark, they fill the orders. Reds are still out there waiting. So how I do it is, this is the percentage of my total BTC that I've spent on these trades. So like this one I'm going to do right now, I'm only going to do it at 1.5% of my total Bitcoin that I have to trade with. So 1.5% would equal 0.00117 BTC. So I'll go back over to here, and since it's in this range, I'm just going to go ahead and buy it outright. So I'd go down here, 0.00117, 1,720 of those. It's a limit buy. So once it's at 68, which it's 69 now, so once it drops back down to 68, it'll automatically pick that buy up. So that was TNB. So then I go back over to my chart, TNB at 1.5%, today's date. It's on Binance. Amount of BTC I spent and the price I got it at, or am trying to get it at, which is going to be 68 Satoshis. A whopping 68 Satoshis. So now I will put that in red, just so I know, hey, that's not been filled yet. And once it hits that and fills that order, then I will go back in, and if it's 68 Satoshis, I want to sell it on the double. So 68, that'll be 136 Satoshis. So when it gets right up around in here, which as you can see, it's probably right around where it's hit twice here as far as the day is ending, not just a wick, the actual day closing. It's a good chance of it getting back there. Plus, if I scroll all the way back, it's been higher than that down to here. So it's got a pretty good chance of doubling, making my money back, and then of course, bull market in the future, I could easily double that again. At least that's the hope. So yeah, I need to put it at 136. So I'd go back over to here, and then I would put that in. Once the order is filled, I would come back and put 136 Satoshis in, and I would set my stop limit up to where I wanted to sell at 0.0000136. So we can go and see if we can find another one real quick while I'm on here. Again, I like to find stuff that's cheap. FET's only 24 cents. Let's look at FET, see what it looks like. Now, I'm not going to bother with FET. Looks like it just started here in March. Hasn't been trading too long. I like to have a pretty good history on coins I want to buy, because that could just keep going straight down. And if I put some numbers in there right now, Fibonacci retracement, you're probably talking about right here to buy in, and it's already been way down here, so I'm not going to bother with that. Let me see, 24-hour change, something cheap. What do we got? ADA, I've already got Cardano. Some of these I've bought multiple times. ELF, 21 cents. Let's see what that looks like. ELF. That was a pretty funny movie, actually. So this one looks pretty good, actually. Down, up, back down. Looks like it's starting to climb again. So then I would go over to here, fib retracement, try and find where that top is going to be. Go all the way down. Let me see here. It looks like it's pretty close to the bottom. Move that up. So there we go. It's almost right at where we should be at the buy at the 78.6 level, 2756. So Let me go over to limit. $2.7, and I will change that to 5.6. That's at the 78.6 level, correct? Yep. So then right here, I'm only going to spend 0.00117, 1.5% of my BTC, 0.00117. That should give me 42 ELF. Put the buy order in, so if it does drop down to 2756, it'll automatically buy. And then once it goes up to, you know, the probably going to be 55 something, 5,500 Satoshis, I'm guessing, then an automatic sell order would go in. Spike up, yeah, so that's definitely doable as far as past history. And if we keep going back, I could double that again and double my money. So that's just how I do things, guys. Again, this isn't trading advice by any means. Again, link to DaVinci J15 videos will be down below in the description. Go ahead, check his videos out. They're free. Again, that's where I learned this stuff. Let me do this real quick while I got it on camera, so I don't forget. So we got ELF. What was it? 1.5%. Today's date. It's always good to keep a record of all this stuff, because you don't want to sit there and try and remember what you bought, where you bought it at. Put it all on the sheet. 0.0002756. That way, all you got to do is open the sheet up, and then go ahead and look. I'll log in every couple of days to see if a order was filled. If so, I'll go ahead and put my sell order in, and pretty much other than that, it's set and forget, guys, which is kind of how I like it. So I guess that's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Are you guys actively trading out there? Who do you follow? I know Dave Tech CA follows Wolfpack Crypto, I believe. I watched a couple of his videos. Guy's very knowledgeable, seems to know what he's doing, in my opinion. Anyone else you follow out there, let me know down below, and maybe I'll go check them out. I always like to learn from different people, see their perspectives on things. Crypto Kirby, I watch some of his stuff, but he mainly tries to shield his own program, but the guy does give a lot of good free content out. Alright guys, again, if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And I guess that's going to be it for this one. I will see you in the next one. And don't forget, tomorrow is the re-emergence of Bitcoin Fridays, alright? Spread the word about that. I'd appreciate it. Take care, guys. Bye.